Today we are going to discuss about the Holy Vedas. What are Vedas? How many type of Vedas are there? So let's start the discussion. The Vedas are ancient texts that are sacred in India and renowned the world over. The word Veda literally means knowledge. The root word is Vid, that is to know. The Vedas are thus texts that provide knowledge. There are four Vedas known as Rig Veda, the Yajur Veda, the Sam Veda, and the Athar Veda. Many years ago, the Vedas were referred to as Trai or three. There must have been some point of time when there were only three Vedas. These are acknowledged to have been the Rig Vedas, the Veda, the Yajur Veda, and the Sam Veda. The Athar Veda is believed to have been a later addition to the sacred canon. The word Trai is also interpreted in a different sense. The three paths to salvation are believed to be those of Gyan, knowledge, Bhakti, devotion, and Karma, action. Since the Vedas teach these three paths to salvation, they are referred to as Trai. The Rig Veda is identified with the path of knowledge, the Yajur Veda with the path of action, the Sam Veda with the path of devotion. Each of the Vedas has two parts, a Samhita and Brahmanas. The Samhita part consists of mantras or incantations. These were hymns that were used in sacrifices. But these mantras are difficult to interpret without commentaries. This is what the Brahmanas set out to do. They explain the hymns and indicate how these are to be used in sacrifices. The Brahmanas also have detailed descriptions of sacrifices and how they are to be conducted. The Samhita and the Brahmanas are often known as Karmakand, that is, the part of the Vedas that deals with rituals. In addition, Vedic literature also includes Gyan Kand. This is the part that deals with supreme knowledge. Included in Gyan Kand are the Aranyak and the Upanishads. These are identified with various Vedas. We can therefore have a narrow definition of a Veda as well as a broad one. The narrow definition would take the word Veda to mean the Samhita alone. The broad definition would include in addition associated Brahmanas, Aranyakas and Upanishads. By the word Veda, we will mean the Samhita alone. When were the Vedas composed and who composed them? Strictly speaking, there is no answer to these questions. The Vedas were revealed. They were Shrutis. They were not written down or composed. They were communicated by the Supreme Godhead or the Divine Essence, Brahma, to the ancient seers, Rishis. These Rishis did not compose the Vedas. They merely obtained this divine knowledge through their extraordinary powers. In this sense, the Vedas are aparusheya, that is, not the handiwork of men. Their authorship cannot be ascribed to any human author. In the Hindu conception of time, time is divided into four eras. These are known as Satyug, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga and Kali Yuga. As one moves from Satyug towards Kali Yuga, the power of righteousness diminishes and evil starts to rear its ugly head. To bring men back to the righteous path, the sacred knowledge that is in the Vedas must be disseminated amongst them. But the Vedas are abstract or historic. That is, it is difficult for ordinary mortals to comprehend. To make the dissemination and assimilation easier, the Vedas must be conveniently partitioned and divided into various groups. A person who thus divides is called Vyas. The Vedas has the title of Ved Vyas or Vyasdev conferred on him. In every Dwapar Yuga, such a Ved Vyas is born to perform this sacred task. The Ved Vyas born in the Dwapar Yuga that immediately preceded the present Kali Yuga was Krishna, Dvapyan Ved Vyas. It is he who is credited with having divided the original unified Vedas into four segments of Rigved, Yajurved, Samved, and Atharved. Krishna Dvapyan Ved Vyas did not compose the Vedas, he merely recapitulated what was already known. Incidentally, Krishna Dvapyan Ved Vyas is also credited with the composition of great epic the Mahabharata. Just as it is impossible to determine who composed the Vedas, it is also impossible when they were composed. Widely different dates have been suggested by scholars. Tilak suggested a date of around 6000 BC, while Jacobi's date was around 4500 BC. Most scholars would agree that Vedas were compiled sometime between 4000 BC and 1000 BC, and that is impossible to narrow down the range further. The earliest of the Vedas is clearly the Rig Veda. This reached a stage of final compilation between 1000 BC and 900 BC. In our next video, we shall have an in-depth study of Vedas. So I hope you liked today's discussion, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe this channel for further interesting videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.